We are going to talk about Deutsche Bank loan against property. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Deutsche Bank loan against property. Applicant age should be between 21 years to 65 years. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount rupees 2 crore to 50 crore. Tenure will be 3 years to 15 years. Login fees will be 5,900. Rate of interest will be 9.75% to 11% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 15 days. Insurance charges will be 0% to 2%. Foreclosure charges will be 2% to 4%. Processing fees will be 0% to 1% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Products are fresh loan, BT plus top-up, commercial or industrial purchase, LAP plus OD product. Lock-in period is 6 months. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 3 years. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Deutsche Bank loan against property will be funding up to 100% of market value. Location is 40 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are politician, share traders, NBFC, police, liquor seller, DSA, applicant living in dominated area, real estate. Negative properties are unapproved property, without map property, leasehold property without PTM, stand-alone basement, auction property, demolition list property, Lal Dora property, Khasra and Khatoni property, subject to sale deed property, GPA property, gift deed property, single sale deed property, legal and technical not clear, stone slab property, hotel and restaurant, hospital and nursing home, school, multi-tenanted unit, regularized colony. No specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2-year Form 16 of applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration, copy of MSME registration, copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders, if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.